Hey guys, what's up? Mao here for Unbox Everything. Today we are gonna be taking a look at this special Independence Day exclusive Jollibee Funko Pop. This is Jollibee in a Barong. You can get this at Jollibee stores with a bucket of chicken joy. And yeah, it's an exclusive for Independence Day here. And so we're gonna be taking a look at it. I lined up at 12 midnight at a 24/7 Jollibee store. I was number 41 in line and I got this really easy. The system's really good, but you know, that's not why we're here. We are here to check out the actual figure, take a closer look so that you can see if you'd want to pick one of these up for yourself. So let's get into the unboxing, but real quick, take a look at the box. It says right there, Jollibee in Philippine Barong, and then yeah, there he is, and at the back it's got this Pinoy and Proud, and just this a really nice custom box, and there's Jollibee right there. It's got that exclusive sticker, so you know that it is exclusive. Okay, so now let's not talk anymore. Let's just open it up and get right into the unboxing. Here is the Jollibee figure. Let's do a quick turnaround. Alright, so there he is. The head mold is the exact same as the regular Jollibee figure. He's got a brand new body. He's wearing the Barong and he's giving a thumbs up. And also at the back, he's got his wings. So his wings are coming through the Barong. And just take a look at the detailing. On the Barong, you can see the nice intricate design it's got right there. Again, he's wearing black slacks and still got his yellow shoes. So there it is. Not much more to say about it other than that it's a really nice pop because it is exclusive, because it is, you know, distinctly Filipino and got that Pinoy pride, and it's an exclusive for Independence Day. One last small thing is that his B butt is, you know, you can still see the shape there, so it's cool that they didn't forget about his butt, you know. So anyway, that is the special edition Jollibee in a Barong. I also have videos of the regular Jollibee Funko Pop unboxing and also the special metallic edition of the Jollibee Funko Pop. And if you want to check those out, I will leave it in the description below. If you want to check it out also, you can click or tap the screen right over here. And if you want to see another unboxing you may enjoy, click or tap the screen right over here. I do weekly unboxings of Funko Pop toys, tech, and all this other stuff, and if you're into that kind of stuff and want to see more of that, consider subscribing. And as always, I will see you back here next time as I continue to unbox everything. Shh.